My team and I make a Python code for IMDb movies in which we search information about what is the most common genre of movies, the year in which those movies were released, and the average duration of those movies. Oh, and also the average rating of those movies. For the code, we import pandas. We use def for return, elif, else, and if. I think that the most important function that we used was def, because without that function we wouldn't be able to display the menu in the screen. I think that this program is very functional because it gives you a defined data of the answers of each question. When you enter to our code, it's going to ask for a password that if you don't write it right, it's going to ask you another 3 times to write it. And if you write it wrong those 3 times, it's going to tell you that you can enter to the code. But if you put it right, it's going to display a menu with the options in which they come the questions we chose, and then it's going to ask you to choose one option. So you need to type the number of the option you want to know, and it's going to display the graphic and the information about the question. For example, option 2, in what year were more movies released? I want to know about that question, so I'm going to write the number 2, and then it displays me the graphic and the answer to that question. And the answer is very briefly, so I think that's better than putting a lot of information. So I think that our code is very descriptive.